Namaste all of you. Today I am making beetroot chilaa. For that I am using chopped onion. Here I use 2 onions, green chilies, capsicum, 1 tomato, this is beetroot, coriander leaf, 2 boiled potatoes, ajwain, jeera and mustard seeds little bit, salt, and here you can see the wheat flour. So let's do the next step. So now I am going to add all these vegetables in this wheat. I am going to mix them. Here I am using 2 cups of wheat flour. Chili, then beetroot, tomatoes, coriander leaf, then ajwain, mustard seeds and jeera, then salt and potatoes. So I am going to add little water here, and I am going to make the batter. I am going to mix them all. You can see the batter will look like this. We have to add water and make the batter like this. So now I am going to do the beetroot chilaa. Now I am going to cook it, and we need little oil to fry this chilaa. I heat the pan. Now I am going to put little oil. Just spread the oil. Now I am putting the batter. 1½ spoon I am putting. Just spread it. Putting little oil over this. Let it cook for 1 minute, then I am going to turn it. As you can see, downside is cooked. Now I am going to turn it. I'm going to cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now you can see how the chilaa will look. Because of the beetroot, color looks like this. Both sides cook nicely. Then you can serve this with chutney, or with Szechuan sauce also you can have, with pickle you can have, or with any type of chutney you can have this. It is a very healthy breakfast recipe. You can add vegetables of your choice. but as it is a beetroot chilaa, so beetroot you have to add. If you don't like beetroot, then you can add some other vegetable also. So friends, my beetroot chilaa is ready. You can serve this hot with any chutney, like I served with uh, chili pickle and Szechuan sauce also, which I made only. So thank you friends for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you soon with another video. Thank you.